Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of disabled account on the application of Discord. Here we go to settings. Here in this first page like this. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Discord and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. After that you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone.